Over the course of YouTube's 14-year history, the site has had many emperors or channels that have been the most subscribed. The earliest known most subscribed channel on YouTube was March in 2006, a title that is currently owned by T-Series as of this year, 2019. We will go more into detail about those two throughout this episode, and various other YouTubers that have had the honor of being the unofficial emperor of the site. The first emperor of YouTube was comedy duo Smosh, who became the most subscribed channel in May 17th, 2006, and would hold that title for 26 days, nearly a month. They would be surpassed by Justin who was known for his evolution of dance video in June 12th, 2006, holding the title for 21 days. He would be surpassed by Brookers on July 3rd, 2006. Brookers herself is largely forgotten these days, although she was described by magazine The New Yorker as YouTube's first real star. After holding the title of emperorship for 45 days, breaking Smosh's 26-day record, she would be surpassed by Geriatric 1927 in August 17th, 2006, the oldest YouTuber to hold that title, if you couldn't guess by the username. 31 days later, he would be surpassed by the mysterious Lonely Girl 15 in September 17th, 2006, who would be YouTube's most subscribed channel for 221 days, breaking Brooker's records of 45 days, although like the latter, Lonely Girl 15 is largely forgotten these days. YouTube would return to emperorship in April 26, 2007, and would reign for 517 days, well over a year, before being surpassed by comedian Mckeown in September 24th, 2008, who would hold the emperorship for just 12 days. 12 days later, in October 6, 2008, he would be surpassed by fellow comedian Fred, who during his 318 days as the most subscribed channel on YouTube became the first to reach 1 million subscribers. In August 20th, 2009, Mckeown would gain the spot as emperor and would break Smosh's previous record by holding the title for 677 days, being surpassed by William Johnson in June 28th, 2011, who would be the most subscribed channel for 564 days. Smosh took the top spot once more on January 12th, 2013, and would reign for one last time for 215 days before being surpassed by relative newbie PewDiePie in August 15th, 2013. PewDiePie held the top spot for 80 days before a small power struggle between him and YouTube's Spotlight channel would result in the latter holding emperorship for 36 and 11 days in November 2nd, 2013 and December 12th, 2013 respectively. In between which, PewDiePie was emperor for 4 days from December 8th, 2013, the shortest anyone has ever been the most subscribed. By December 23rd, 2013, PewDiePie confidently took back the title of emperor and broke Mckeown's record, Mckeown's 677-day record by reigning the site for 9,920 days, the absolute longest anyone has been the most subscribed channel on YouTube. This would all come to an end in 2019, on which PewDiePie found himself in yet another power struggle, this time between Indian media company T-Series. The latter held the top spot for 5 days from March 27th, 2019, while the former would hold the top spot once more from April 1st, 2019 for 13 days. T-Series ultimately won this battle and has been the most subscribed channel on YouTube as of April 14th, 2019. This is a pretty long history of YouTube's most subscribed channels for what it's worth, but let's check out and see how the combined total of days each of these people reigned as emperor stacked up. Smosh was the most subscribed channel on YouTube for a total of 758 days, or a little over 2 years. Mckeown was the most subscribed channel on YouTube for a total of 689 days, just close to 2 years. PewDiePie was the most subscribed channel on YouTube for a total of 2,017 days, or well over 5 years. YouTube's Spotlight channel was the most subscribed channel for a total of 47 days, just over a month. T-Series has been the most subscribed channel for a total of 184 days, just over half a year now. And finally, the YouTubers who are the most subscribed for non-separate periods of time were such for a total of 979 days, which is 2 years and a half. This all sounds complicated, but here's a little chart that should hopefully explain it a bit better. So those are the YouTubers that have been the most subscribed, the current one being T-Series. The question is, who will surpass the Indian media giant? And the answer is, who knows? But anyway, that is it for this episode of YouTube Nation, and indeed this chapter discussing YouTube's government. Starting next month, we will start discussing the culture of YouTube and the impact YouTube has had on popular culture. In the meantime, that is it for YouTube Nation. Thank you all for watching. October 2018 videos next week, followed by an end of month video for this month, and I'll see you around.